Assalamu alaikum aspirants. Today I will try to relax you regarding complexity of English. English is not so complicated the way we are presenting in our education institutions. Today I will tell you some facts about English. Basically, I am not an English teacher. I am a research student and I see everything in the research perspective. So I have done some research on English language that I wish to share with you. This is a really interesting thing. During last 2 years, uh, when aspirants join us and start learning English, they feel very much confusing because there are 1,84,000 vocabulary words in English dictionary, and teacher never say that please leave these 20 pages. Teacher say if you have to cover English, you will have to learn entire dictionary. There is no filtering, there is no point. But I have done a research that I am sharing with you. Maybe this will help you for your preparation. I have calculated English in multiple kinds. I am sharing this kind with you. As per my estimation, what research I have conducted, that an average Pakistani person or non-native English speaker have a vocabulary of 5,000 words, and if you are talking about a native person who is native English speaker, his vocabulary is also not more than 6,000 words. This is really interesting because several aspirants raise a question that, sir, is it possible that a person whose vocabulary is 6,000, where total vocabulary is 1,84,000, can he claim himself that I am an Englishman? Yes, he can claim, because this is a very interesting statistics of English language that I am sharing with you. Suppose that we are starting working on 5,000 words. What are the kinds of these 5,000 words? During last year's study, we remained focused on this, and we have calculated that there are 2,500 easy words in English language. It will be helpful for you if you just writing down all my statistics and review at the end of lecture. Total easy words of English are 2,500. In 2,500 words, 1,500 words are really easy. You know all these 1,500 words, and every person who has passed matriculation, his vocabulary is this 1,500 words. 1,000 words other included in this easy words, but they are not known by every person whose English is a little better than normal students. They know these 1,000 words, but average student only knows 1,500 easy words. I will just quote here an example that what is the difference between 1,500 words, easy words, and 1,000 easy words. There's a word in English, it's called important. All persons who have done metric, they know what is the meaning of important. But if you will put another word in it with this, that a paramount importance, if we'll use this phrase, paramount importance. Word paramount is listened by everyone, but maximum students don't know what is the meaning of paramount. This is just to categorize. 1,000 words are equivalent to paramount, and 1,500 words are equivalent to word important. This is the complexity ratio. 15,000 are very easy, and 1,000 are easy but not known by you. This is that 1,000. This is 1,500, 2,500 total easy words. And then the vocabulary that is called difficult word is 1000 words only. And now, which is this 1000 words? This is really difficult to understand, but I think during last year we have prepared a list of 1000 difficult words. I have seen several other notes prepared by CSP academies, prepared by test preparation centers. They are also giving a list that is around 1000 words vocabulary. This is called difficult words. Now 2500 words are easy, 1000 words are difficult, and 500 words are very difficult. The term very difficult means rarely used words. If you are not using any word anywhere, it means this very difficult. Its counting is only 500 words, which are rarely used. So 2500, 1000, and this 500. Another category of words is newly added words in English language and deprecated word in English language. Newly added word including in English language due to change of technology. But these words have really great influence in English language, because in our decade the newly added words are email, WhatsApp, Facebook, and like this several other words. Just think, if there's a person who don't know what is email, who don't know what is WhatsApp, who don't know what is email, user ID, and these kind of thing, CAPTCHA, this is frequently being used in current daily language. If you are unaware about these words, you will not be able to speak English, because at every stage we use these words. Its approximate quantity is around 500 words. In this kind, some words are deprecated also. 500 are newly added and deprecated words. And this, if we are talking about deprecated words, with the obsolete of technology, some words are deprecated, like telegram. Several aspirants must have heard this word, but they don't know what is telegram is, how this telegram was worked. This is our childhood story, that there was an only source of communication on distance learning, that was called telegram. Nowadays mediums are enhanced, and now we don't use telegram. And if we are calculating again this category of the English word in English, it become 2500, 1000, then 500, very difficult, and this 500, 4500. And 500 words are related to your field. Suppose that if you are a lawyer, a specific field, law contains 500 English vocabulary. If you are engineer, this engineering field also include 500 a specific vocabulary which is related to engineering field. If you are a doctor, this field also contains regular 500 English vocabulary. It has many other complicated words, but most frequently used 500 words a doctor knows in medical field, which are not known by engineer or other normal profession or lawyer. So its total is 5000 words. If you are preparing your vocabulary in this sequence, you can easily write essay, you can easily write precision composition, you can easily speak frequently. This we have learned during last 2 years while preparing English for CSS. So just write out, these are the categories of English. So at that stage, one of my aspirants asked me, sir, how it is possible that a person who is English native and knows only 6000 words, because I calculated this 5000 for English learners. You are being as CSS aspirants, You don't need to be a native English speaker. You just need to learn English for the sake of passing examination or precision composition and daily usage test. So, native English speaker vocabulary is 1000 addition to this 5000. So, how we will justify that a person who has 6000 vocabulary is claiming that I am native speaker? Your total vocabulary is 1,84,000 words. I started working on it. I did a lot of research. When you read English author's book, when you read a book from English Indian author, you will feel different vocabulary in this English language book. If you have opportunity to read Russian English medium book, you cannot understand what is the written in this book. Sometimes you will confuse that whether it is English or they are using any other language. So I started research on it and I concluded that around 3000 words are global words. Only 3000 words are using in global English. Remaining English is region specific. Suppose that to elaborate an action of hate, we are using this word hate. And when you will use some more vocabulary for hate, you will find another word that is dislike. And when you will use Indian authors' books, Indian author will reference dislike and hate as abhor. And if you will use Russian books, they will use another book that is loath. So what I concluded that this vocabulary is region specific. 3000 words are global and remaining this 1000 difficult word and 500 very difficult words, these are global words and these are changed and area to area. So the member of United Nations countries are around 273, I think, maybe more than 273, but last what I referred that was 273. So if we conclude our discussion here that if every country is using this difficult word as per their own culture, so 1000 multiplied 270 is 2 lakh 1 lakh 1,70,000 is 1,70,000 words. These are different for each specific region. So for you, what English you have to prepare is 3000 common word, global word. Even during last days, I have seen a dictionary released by Oxford. Its title was 3000 global words. Its mean is, am, are, was, were is being used as is, am, as, was in across the globe, in America, in China, India, in Russia, everywhere. But if we are referring word hate or dislike, we are using as per our specific region. So now you will have to cover 3000 global words. I have a list of these 3000 words. Please ensure you must be aware about these 3000 words because these are easy words, these are not difficult words. And current difficult words that are not deprecated, that are newly added, you will find these words in daily language, but we are searching in Dawn newspaper. These are current vocabulary. This is current vocabulary. This is not old vocabulary. So Dawn is the only source, Dawn, Tribune, Reader's Digest. This is the only source to provide you a list of current English that you will be referring in your CSS exam to write essay, to write basic composition and these all other subjects. So try to list out these facts and figure and conclude that the total vocabulary you have to cover is 5000. If you are efficiently covering this 5000 words, I think English is really easy task. Because if you will put a dictionary of 1,84,000 and ask a student that learn this entire dictionary to learn English, it will not be possible. But if you are referring only 5000 words, if you are covering only 10 words per day, how much time will it take to cover this 5000 words? Even your current vocabulary is more than 3000 words. Means you have to cover only 2000 words that we are doing in daily dawn. And I hope if you will continue for 2 months, every day, 3 articles of daily dawn, list out vocabulary. After 2 months, you will not find anything new. And your vocabulary list will be maximum at 1500 words. After covering 1500 words, you will not refer dictionary. You will just start reading the newspaper, and you will understand each and every word of English. So this is a good technique. We use this technique for last 2 years, and I will suggest you try to cover this English in this manner. And second thing, when you have a good vocabulary, you have used these all difficult words, easy words, you definitely know if there's the rating is, it means it's a continue form. If they are using second form, you will understood that this past form. If the word will is using in the sentence, you will understand that this is a future form. At this stage, you don't need to learn grammar. When your vocabulary is built, you just go through a grammar book once and you will understand each and everything. Because we are learning normal word, we are learning its synonym, we are learning its antonym. And other than this, when you are using this word in your sentence, you are using ing form, you are using first form, second form, third form, and ing form. You will understand everything. You don't need to make more efforts. What we are doing, we are making a mistake that every English language start you to teach tenses, grammars. Our basic issue is vocabulary, not grammar. If you have a good vocabulary, you can write good English. Maybe you make some mistakes. You may use second form instead of third form. These kind of mistakes you will make. But if after building your complete vocabulary, you will just refer a grammar book, you can easily finish these mistakes. Then there are some other components like punctuation. For punctuation, I will also share a video with you that is not more than 20 minutes. In 20 minutes video, you will cover this punctuation. You will not make this mistake again, inshallah. So I am using tools and techniques to uplift you, and I hope if all aspirants remain with us dedicatedly during this current result of CSS, a huge list of aspirants will be from E-Academy, because E-Academy is not putting you in burden of books. We are offering everything through video lectures, through audio, through tools, techniques, mobile applications. If you are using this, I am sure you will get it done. And I will need your comments, and you can also send me some critical comments. I am not English speaker, or I am not very frequent in English. I am not teacher of English. I am just a research student. I am conducting research and generate ideas. Even in other things, I use these techniques. Suppose that if I am getting a disease, I used to treat this disease through using my IT techniques, that how many patients are there in this field and how many patients are feeling better by using good technique. They are changing their diet, they are using medicine, or they are shifting their daily habit routine. There are multiple ways of treating yourself. So I see everything in this aspect. I hope our this technique will help you to win this CSS competition. Even if you cannot win this CSS competition, you will win all other competition that were being held for BS17 post. Once you are in 17, then we will give you more techniques, and I hope one day you will succeed. Thanks you very much. I'll be waiting for your comments on this video specifically. Thank you.